Hi everyone, this is Tim from 208 Rail Fanning, and welcome to my new video, Look for Lights. Lights, meaning these signals, are an integral part of railroading. They tell the train where to go, when to go, and when to stop. And in this video, I'll decode the different signal aspects. I'll show you them and tell you what they mean. So, I hope you'll enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.
This is a red signal, and red means stop. Some signals like this one default to red. That means they stay red all the time. This is a clear signal. This means proceed. This is the diversion clear. This means proceed, not exceeding prescribed speed through turnout. This is an approach signal. This means prepare to stop at the next signal ahead of you. The last signal we'll cover is advanced approach. It means proceed, prepare to stop at the second signal ahead of you.